A woman in Petrozavodsk claims that she kept an alien in her fridge for 2 years. She says she retrieved the corpse after a UFO crashed near her dacha in 2009.
Tell us more about this extraterrestrial. Well, it's mysterious stuff, isn't it, you two? It was in 2009 that Marfa Yegorovna supposedly found this dead alien by a burning wreckage of its spacecraft in the northwest of Russia, near a holiday home, a dacha. Now, what would you do if you were in that situation? She decided she would take the alien home and put it in her fridge where it stayed for the next 2 years. Things that you leave in the fridge for a couple of years, the alien doesn't seem to be sort of bearing up too well.
What's happened to this being now?
Good question, you may indeed ask. It has, you may not be surprised to learn, disappeared.
She says she retrieved the corpse after a UFO crashed near her dacha in 2009. What's happened to this being now?
She decided she would take the alien home and put it in her fridge. Now, what would you do? Aliens are indeed trying to land on Earth. It does seem her fridge is their chosen point of arrival. Her fridge is their chosen point of arrival. Two large bulbous eyes and a thin arm protruding from one of its sides.
The woman in Petrozavodsk claims that she kept an alien in her fridge for 2 years. She says she retrieved the corpse after a UFO crashed near her dacha in 2009.
Shouldn't discount the possibility that it may indeed be a real aliens are indeed trying to land on Earth, it does seem her fridge is their chosen point of arrival.